everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill and today we're going to have a look at the Cricut Joy. Now this is not a sponsored video, this was purchased for me as a gift for Christmas and I've only just got round to making the review for it. Okay, so I haven't had a Cricut Joy before, so this is very new to me. So we'll go through it together, and if anything's wrong or can't quite understand what they're talking about, we can work it out together. Okay, so inside you get a starter tool set, which is very good. It includes a spatula, a scraper, a scraper, and weeder. The English is the first one at the top there, I didn't see it. Spatula, weeder and scraper. Okay, then we've got card mat. Create custom cards in minutes, compatible with all Cricut Joy cards. Full material list and instructions at help.cricut.com. Cricut Joy. Okay, so you get that. And we've got sticker cardstock, smart paper sticker cardstock. Looks like there's quite a bit in there. Works without a cutting mat, just load and go. Skip the glue for hassle-free paper projects. Smooth, medium weight, 210 GSM, £78. Store in packaging when not in use. Colours may vary. So we've got that. Then we've got some transfer tape, 13 by 9 centimetres, 121.9 centimetres or 5.5 inches by 48 inches. We've got some smart vinyl permanent, 5.5 inches by 18 inches. We've got some removable smart vinyl, 5.5 by 12 inches. We've got some smart labels, writable vinyl permanent, 5.5 inches by 48 inches. We've got some pen stylos, green, violet and red. We've got some cutaway cards. We've got some insert cards. And finally, we've got the Joy itself. So let me get that out of the box and get the box out of the way. So here it is. Compact smart cutting machine. Your DIY best friend. Okay, so let's get that out. I have to say, you get quite a bit in the package. If you had to buy it all separately, it would soon build up. There we go, so that's the Joy itself. And we've got Open Me, which I take it is the instructions. Let's get started. And then underneath we've got the alternative for American or Canadian plug. We've got the adapter, we've got the plug, and we've got a fine point pen in black. Okay, so that's all in the box. what you get with it. So that's quite a lot. Right, so it's quite dinky, and I wanted a smaller one, to be honest, because I do have an island that I work on crafting, but I like keeping the Gemini on the worktop. I do have several other machines, but I don't want to keep them all on the worktop, and this one will fit just behind me near the plugs. So there we are, there's the inside. It's quite a compact little thing. So we've got, let's get started, let's have a look at this. Use these during setup. Smart vinyl sample. You'll insert this smart material when the screen prompts you. The blade is already installed. It creates intricate shapes with ease. Now, because I'm using my phone, my iPhone to make the video, I downloaded the app onto my iPad, and then we can work through the iPad to see where we go with it, to see what to do. Okay. Since the first part of the video was filmed, all the nails have come off because dog happened to bend one back and it came off, so I tend to cut all the rest off when that happens. Let's proceed with our unboxing and review. I'm going to plug the Cricut in. Don't forget to take off your plastic cover. And it's just being plugged in behind me. There it goes. As I said, I'm filming on my phone, so now we've got the Cricut connected to the iPad. There we are. So an update is required. Let's just update it. It's got quite a long lead on it, I have to say, so you can plug it in a distance from where you're working if need be. I'm going to remove that piece of foam from under the tip there while it's updating. I hope you're enjoying the content. Thank you so much to all the subscribers and your views and your continued support. I like to thank you in every video. So it's just halfway through its update now. The Cricut is doing something funky. Okay, let's just move my glass out of the way so it can sit flat. That's it. And then we can give it a try. Let's see what it said in our pamphlet here. So you'll insert this smart material when the screen prompts you. So we've got this material here that they've provided in the pack, and we're obviously going to use that. So I've got to accept the question now, and then we've got select an image to cut using the sample material that came in the box. Make it. The blade is already installed. It cuts intricate shapes with ease. So use both hands to insert 11.43 centimetre by 16.51 centimetre in smart vinyl under guides until rollers grip material. So that's the piece they've supplied. So I'm going to insert it now. and off it goes. Preparing, and off it goes. So it's starting to cut. Let me just bring you down so you can see it cutting. So the blade is already inserted when you purchase it, and it shows you the percentage of progress on the iPad there. 28%, 29%. It's moving along quite rapidly. What else have we got in this folder here? We've got a piece of card, warranty, safety instructions, and a little mat. It's 52% through the cutting so far, and obviously if you explore the app you'll be able to find different pictures and put in your own text and all that sort of thing that you want to do. So it's now 66% through, and as I say, it's such a compact little machine. It's excellent for small projects, but you can do bigger projects on it because there is a, which one was it? I don't know if it says it on the box. It can cut individual shapes up to 1.2 meters long, or makes continuous cuts up to 6 meters long without a cutting mat. So that's really good. Okay, so it's finished. Complete. Then you press unload for it to release the blade. There's the cut out shape, as you can see. Now, how to apply smart vinyl. Remove excess material from backing. If unwanted pieces remain, use a weeder to remove. Since this sticker is simple, just peel from the liner and apply to surface. So, right, so there it is coming away from the vinyl. There we go, we've got our Cricut sticker. It says dry application surface to apply. The information pack. And there's a little bit left in that little crevice there, which is what you use the weeder for, to pull out any bits that are left behind. There's another one there. That's just like a pokey tool, I take it. There we go. Got a little crease there where I pulled it up. There we are. So that's how it works. And then of course you've got the opportunity to sign up for extra things if you want to. It gives you an idea of DIY, perfect card for any occasion, design your own, cutaway card, paper crafts with foil, insert cards, quick labels, iron on and infusible ink transfers, vinyl stickers and decals, paper crafts. I mean, yeah, endless opportunities for different projects there. So there we are. So that's the unboxing and demonstration of the Cricut Joy. If you want to see any further ones, or you want to see any more information on it, just let me know and we'll do another demonstration. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.